is the judgment of the Uyghur Tribunal, a People's Tribunal formed to consider allegations that the People's Republic of China, PRC, has committed genocide crimes against humanity and torture against Uyghur, Kazakh and other minority groups of northwest China's Xinjiang.
Commonly known as the Genocide Convention, including detention camps and measures intended to prevent births as it pertains to the Uyghurs and other Turkic Muslims.
Directly saying that the Chinese government is responsible for carrying the genocide.
Prevent us from raising the growing evidence of the abuse faced by the Uyghur.
Our session. And now let's begin the evening session.
De réfugiés ouïghours ici en Belgique, mais aussi ailleurs en Europe.
Of Uyghur people in Xinjiang as genocide and forced sterilization of the Muslim ethnic minority.
Beijing's policies towards Uyghurs and other ethnic Muslims in Xinjiang.
I'm Dec9 Isa, President of the World Uyghur Congress. We are London, and the Uyghur Tribunal just delivered its judgment that Chinese government is indeed perpetrating the crime of the genocide and the crime against humanity in East Turkestan against Uyghurs, Kazakh and the other Turkic people. This is truly a historical moment. Just when we lost complete hope and all expectation from the global community were lowering. Enough is enough. We demand justice and accountability now. There is no more excuse for the state and the global community to stay silent on this genocide.